Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rashmi and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and lacy shell stitch. To start off, we're going to make a slip knot. To do this, you're going to wrap the yarn around your index finger like this. Pull the yarn from the left and move it over to the right. Let's do this one more time. Pick it from the left, move it over to the right, but slip it off your fingertip this time. Grab onto the bits of yarn and pull them down to create your loop. We're going to put crochet inside and tighten this loop by pulling on the end of the yarn. Now when we're working with this lacy shell stitch, we work in multiples of 5 plus 2. So as this is only a sample piece that I'm doing for you, I'm going to work 17 chains altogether. But you can go ahead and work as many chains that you need for your desired project. I'm going to yarn over, pull through, that's my first chain, yarn over, pull through the loop 2, yarn over, pull through the loop 3, I now have my 17 chains. From here, we're going to start off by chaining 3. That's 1, 2, and 3. We're going to yarn over and go into the 4th stitch and work a double crochet. This is a treble crochet in UK terminology. So there's my first chain, second, third, and here's the 4th one. Stick your crochet in the top part of this chain, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. Now this is considered as 2 double crochets, so this chain 3 is my first double crochet. From here we're going to yarn over and skip the next 2 chains, so this one, and we're going to go ahead and work 5 double crochets in the 3rd chain here. So yarn over, stick your crochet in this chain and work 5 double crochets in the same chain. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's the 5th one. From here we're going to miss the next 4 chains. So yarn over your crochet, we're going to miss 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to go ahead and work 5 more double crochets in the 5th chain. So go ahead, in this same space we're going to work 5 double crochets. So that's my first one, second, third, 4th, and here's the 5th one right here. Now just like this, you're going to follow the same method and complete this whole row. So each time you're going to skip 4 chains and work 5 double crochets in the 5th chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in this space I'm going to work 5 more double crochets. So go ahead, work your first row and I'll meet you at the end. Once you've finished working your row, you should have 3 chains left at the end. So here we are going to skip 2 chains and work 2 double crochets in the last chain. So yarn over your crochet, stick your crochet in the last chain here, and let's work 2 double crochets in the same chain, like this. From here I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, which is considered as my first double crochet, and turn your work around. We're now going to start working on the top part of these stitches. So yarn over and go ahead and work 1 double crochet in this same stitch. Now as we worked 5 double crochets, we're going to locate the middle one, which is always going to be your 3rd one, even if you count from this side or there. So from here you're going to work 5 double crochets on the top of this 3rd double crochet from our previous stitch. Okay, so yarn over and work 5 double crochets in this middle of the stitches. 3, 4, and 5. Now from here it becomes nice and easy to locate your stitches because each time you're going to be working 5 double crochets on top of your 3rd double crochet from the previous shell. So 1, 2, 3, here we go. Yarn over, go on the top part of this stitch and work 5 more double crochets. That's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last one, let's do this together. 5 more double crochets in the third double crochet on my previous shell stitch. 3, 4 and 5. Now right at the end we are going to work 2 double crochets on top part of this chain 3. So we're not going to do anything in this double crochet, but locate the third chain, which is the top chain. So yarn over your crochet, go into the top part of this chain here, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through next 2. We're going to go ahead and work another double crochet in the same stitch here, just like this. Once you have 2 double crochets, that completes your row. Start the next row with chain 3 and turn your work around. Just like this, you can keep following the same method and work as many rows as you like to complete your project. Once you work your desired number of rows, you're going to chain 1 and snip your work off from here. And I'm going to pull this out of the loop, and that completes my work. You can go ahead and work these ends in, and just like this, follow the same method and finish your project off. Now, if you enjoyed learning this stitch with me, be sure to give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.